Hello friends, today I am going to discuss on the hypothetical situation which may occur in future. So watch this video till it ends. Global pandemonium chaos across the world. Scenario: the year 2024 brings unprecedented global turmoil, with multiple crises converging to create a perfect storm of chaos. Key events which we would witness in future. And the first is economic collapse. Global markets plummet due to unsustainable debt, inflation, and trade wars. Second is climate catastrophes. Intensifying natural disasters, hurricanes, wildfires, floods devastate communities worldwide. Third is pandemic resurgence. A new, highly contagious virus spreads rapidly, overwhelming healthcare systems. Fourth is cyber attacks. Massive hacking operations compromise critical infrastructure, disrupting global supply chains. Fifth is geopolitical tensions. Escalating conflicts between major powers US, China, Russia threaten global stability. Sixth is social unrest. Widespread protests and civil unrest erupt in response to economic inequality, climate change, and government inaction. Seventh is technological disruptions. AI advancements raise concerns about job displacement, surveillance, and ethics. Consequences which may occur. Firstly, global recession. Economic downturn spreads across continents. Secondly, humanitarian crises. Refugee numbers surge due to conflict, climate change, and economic instability. Thirdly, societal breakdown. Trust in institutions erodes, leading to increased polarization and social fragmentation. Fourthly, environmental degradation. Climate change accelerates, pushing ecosystems to the brink of collapse. Potential outcomes would be global governance reform, international cooperation, and new institutions emerge to address crises. Technological innovations, breakthroughs in renewable energy, medicine, and AI mitigate some consequences. Social awakening. Global protests spark meaningful change, prioritizing sustainability and equality. Collapse of global order. Chaos and instability lead to the fragmentation of international relations. Now the questions are: first, how will governments and international organizations respond to these crises? Second, can technological innovations mitigate the consequences of global pandemonium? Third, will social unrest lead to meaningful change or further destabilization? And fourth, what are the potential long-term consequences of these events? So, think upon these questions, answers. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.